Yeah. So I have connected to this database here. So to this server, we are connected to the SQL server. So this is a database. So I've selected and will go to this new query here. So what we'll do here is we'll talk about the delete. So we already spoke about delete statement in other video, but here in combination with delete, I'm going to talk with truncate also. So delete statement here. Okay. Truncate statement and drop table and drop database. So let's talk on this four. So when you go to delete, so you can use delete. Delete statement can be used with where clause, right? You can use. So where clause, you can use relational, right? And logical operators also. So stay right. So delete statement, delete from table name. So here there is no where clause, no where clause. So you have one more, delete from table underscore name where clause, ID equal to sum 2 and salary between 5,000 and 10,000. So you have used where clause, right? So you can have some table name and you can use ID equal to sum 2 and match. If that condition is matching, then you will delete that record. But truncate is also used here. This truncate statement is also used to delete the data. This truncate statement is also used to delete the data. But truncate truncate statement doesn't have where clause. It doesn't have where clause. Okay. So truncate statement doesn't have where clause. So how do you write this? Truncate table underscore name. This is how you write. So let me go to the new query window here. So select start from employee. Now try to execute here, right? So just go, as I told you, truncate doesn't have truncate table name where ID equal to 2. So I'm trying to have where clause in truncate statement. So will this work? Let's see. As I told, we don't have truncate where clause. Execute here. So there is something called incurrent syntax near keyword where. It doesn't mean that we have wrote something wrong. So there is no where clause supported with truncate statement. And here, if you select this data from this table, you have got all data here. Now let me go and truncate. So what happens? It is going to delete the data from this table. Now I'll go here. Commands completed successfully. Now go and run this. Now execute here. Sorry. So select this statement. So I've truncated data. Now let's go and select the data from table. So you don't have any data here. Data got deleted, right? So truncate table doesn't have where clause. Now let's go on drop table. So this is to this statement. This is to remove table from the database. So drop is used for dropping your object. So you can use drop to remove table or view function stored procedures. So we'll go on that. These all we'll talk in next coming videos, but drop can be used to remove the objects here. So now I'll use, how do you use drop table table underscore name here. You are dropping it, right? So I'll go here. I'll use drop. Drop doesn't have any where clause. Drop and employee. Drop table, table name. Now just go, just execute this. So here, if you tables, if you refresh here, so here you got employee here. You have. Now if I perform this drop table, table name, execute this. So commands completed successfully. Now go and refresh this tables folder. You will not have the table called employee here. You have got. Now similarly, let's go and use drop database, database name, right? Na? So now, so this query window, right? This query window is pointing to this database you see here. This query window is pointing to this database. You can see there, which I have highlighted DB115022025. So this queries window is pointing to that. So if I use query window which is pointing to the same database, I'm trying to drop the same database which is pointed 15022025. I'm dropping the database which I have connected. Is it possible? Let's see here. You cannot drop database because it is currently in use, because I'm connected to this database na? And I'm trying to drop the database. It doesn't work. So you go and change the database here. Now I connected to DB081024. Now you are not connected to that the database you are trying to drop. Now drop this. Now try to execute here. So this database will get deleted now. So dropped. You see there. Let this get executed. Or else take this statement. Okay. I'm just canceling this one. I'll connect to other database here. Select database, other set database, BI 28012025. I'll select this new query. Now I'm putting here. So the database which is connected here and the database I'm dropping here is not same. So it will allow you to delete. Now just go and drop here. So it is taking some time. Let's wait for that. It generally, so this is one way to drop, or you can right click on that particular database and drop. That also you can do it. So both can work here. Either you can use these drop statements or go to that particular object. Either you go to this table, right click here. So you'll have the drop one. So you can say delete here. Similarly, so I've selected our table. Go to this database. Now try to click and drop here, right? So here, see, if at all you run also, it is taking some, it is showing, but I've not connected. Let's go and close all the windows here. Let me close all the windows and go back and drop it, because that has got saved in the memory. It is showing the same error. Now I'll just go and refresh this databases here once, right? I'll take new query window. So it is connected to the master now. So I'll put here, right? Now try to drop it, because that has got, because why it is giving is because that has been that error, as it is in catchy, so it is giving the same error here. So that is the reason. So generally it get deleted. There should not be any problem. Let's wait for that. Or else, yeah, it is getting. So what I'll do, I'll just close this window. I'll just disconnect this server once again. I'll connect to this database again, right? Connect here. So I've disconnected and connecting here. I'll go to this database folder, click on new query window. I'll paste that drop statement, because it is been in catchy, so it is showing the same error. So now try to execute here. Now I think it should it should resolve our problem. So dropping the database here. Let's wait. So it should not take this much of time. Let's wait for 1 2 minutes. It should not take much time also. Yeah, it's giving the same error. Let's do one thing. I'll just close this session here. I'll also disconnect here. Okay. We'll just go and disconnect. Now let me go to this object view here. Now click on Object Explorer. Now click on Connect Database Engine. Say OK here. So I'll go to the database folder, select this database folder and click on this new query. Okay. Now put that statement here, right? Now try to delete. If still that doesn't work out, let's close our SSMS and open it again. If still that doesn't work out. So we have seen dropping table, we have seen truncate statement, we have seen dropping a table, we have seen dropping a database also. So let's do one thing. I'll just close. Yeah, let me close this database once. That is total SSMS. Let me open again. Right. I'll just open here. So let's wait. Let's connect to that server also. Yeah. Let this get open. Yeah. Let me connect here. So we'll use the drop statement now, dropping a database. Okay. Click on new query. Put this here. Now click on this drop. It has got successfully dropped, right? Now let's see whether this that database is there. Now try to refresh. So you'll not find here. You see here, you have got -1, but not. So if at all you want, you can go and use this -1 also. -1, just drop this. Okay. I think, yeah, let me put in single quotes here and see whether we'll be able to do it. So yes, so let's remove this one. So we'll make use of some other database. So let's go and use sales here. Okay, sales database. Now try to execute this. So this is how you need to delete the drop the table database tables is all. Okay. So let's. I hope you feel. I hope you felt you like this video. Please subscribe this video and share this video. So the same issue now. So you need to close this SMS and restart, open the SMS, then this problem will go away. Right? Thank you everyone. Please subscribe my channel and you'll get the videos on the remaining topics as we keep on going, as we go on keeping. Right. Thank you everyone.